I've already messed up by leaning on the tomatoes and getting juice everywhere. The flavour, kind of sour to be honest. Hi and welcome to today's video. Before we get started, I do want to apologise for a couple of things. Number one, I'm sorry for the noises, the background sound. I don't have a mic and it is quite windy. And second of all, please do excuse my sunglasses. I've got a bit of a situation going on with my eye that I am feeling a bit insecure about. But today I am testing out an aesthetic, I guess. I'm doing the Cottagecore aesthetic, and if you don't know what that is, it's an aesthetic that idealises agricultural life. So I thought I would come outside, sit in an olive field, have a picnic and do some other little activities. I'm going to show you all of that in this video. Before we get started, we have to set the vibes, and yeah, 3, 2, 1, vibes! I'm sorry, I think I've just ruined the aesthetic in these first few minutes of the video. I am so sorry. There's one here that's really red, but it's been eaten. I started off my evening by picking some cherry tomatoes from our vegetable patch, so yeah, that was fun. But I have packed a picnic with me as well as my painting stuff, so that I can lay it all out, can have a little picnic and do some painting at the same time. So it has been a solid 5 minutes and I've already messed up by leaning on the tomatoes and getting juice everywhere. So this is my outfit. I don't know if you can see the whole thing, I really hope you can. But I've got this blouse on. This is the most, if not the only, Cottagecore item that I own, and I just paired it with these shorts. I have set up my little picnic. I have some breadsticks, I have some watermelon, peaches, some bread and vegan cheese, and some, I was going to say milk. That is definitely not milk, and I do not drink milk unless it's dairy free. So I don't know what that was all about, but some freshly squeezed orange juice. And yeah, I'm having some problems with my easel because it keeps falling over in the wind. I've also got this Spotify playlist on. It's not mine, it's by this user. I will leave a code to it on screen now so you can check it out if you want. I like to listen to this when I'm painting. It's quite what I would call an aesthetically pleasing playlist. I really enjoy listening to it. But yeah, I've got that on, and I am now just going to quickly make a TikTok, as I've been documenting this in a TikTok as well, so definitely follow me on TikTok if you want to. So I've set you up at a really weird angle. Luckily the wind has seemed to have dropped. I don't want to speak too soon because I'm going to start painting when I finish eating. Thank you, Dream. I'm going to start painting when I've finished eating. I don't want to do both. Can you just let me film? I literally don't know what to do now because of the wind. I mean, if I wait a bit, hopefully the wind will drop a bit. I just realised, got my tripod behind me, don't know if you can see that. Sorry if you can see that. Breadsticks are probably one of my favourite snacks ever, and you know what's better than breadsticks? Breadsticks with hummus, but I don't have any hummus. I need to stop throwing peace signs around because It's not really cottagecore, is it? Just realised I don't have a thumbnail for this video and I've just eaten all my food. Loser. I tried filming. There's so many cars. Horrifile. Wind, are you serious? I'm gonna try some of the tomatoes that I picked earlier in this video, and I say some because as you know, I've squashed like half of them. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now and then we can start painting. I'm really ruining the aesthetic by going like this. The flavour, kind of sour to be honest. I literally squashed the only 2 really ripe ones. These ones are a bit sour still. Still really good though. Okay, so I don't know if this is taking it too far, but I've literally just realised I'm wearing a scrunchie. If I didn't already ruin this video with the glasses, I've ruined it by wearing a scrunchie. I am so sorry. In fact, I'm going to take it off right now. There you go. No scrunchie. Anyway, so I am going to try and paint. I'm just going to pack up like the boxes that I've got out, and I'm going to get my painting stuff out, set up my canvas, pff, you wish, Amalia. Set up my piece of cardboard, more like, and get painting. Also, there's like a bunch of kids just screaming. So I have set up my easel and what I'm painting. As you can see, I thought I'd paint like a little mushroom type thing. So this is the final painting. Yeah, I couldn't really see what I was doing because it got really dark. And yeah, now it does have flash on it. I can see that it's like really not that good at all. I don't know how I messed these up so much. I guess I can take the tape off, although it's not dry. There we go. I think I'm gonna have to tidy up now and go back inside because like I'm a literal mess. So this is the current situation. I need to tidy all that up and take it back inside. My legs are achy from sitting down all afternoon now.